Hey famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. In this house, what do? We cook what we have in our houses, okay? So, today we are cooking, I don't know what we are cooking, but there's mince inside. So, there's mince. In the meantime, please make sure that you subscribe and you comment down below. Anyway, the initial step, oh my god, I forgot, cooking oil. Make sure that you slice your onion nicely and red pepper, okay? That's all I wanted to put. And you can check my cooking oil. It's not a lot. I mean, you are not about to baptize somebody with that oil or make people sick. So please make sure you are kind when it comes to cooking oil. Yes, and a little bit of your favorite spices or choice of spices. Oh, that's a gem squash. Yeah, gem squash on the other side. We are going to have mince and gem squash and some salad. Yeah, something like that. I'm sorry for this camera. I'm sorry for this camera. I don't know what was wrong with me on this day, but I wasn't feeling it. But I was like, okay, cool. Let me just force myself because people are waiting for content. People that don't even like. Oh, shame on you. Anyway, I'm just joking. So, yeah, make sure that you put your mince inside your pan. And, yeah, just fry it until it's ready according to your eyes, okay? Because we don't cook the same, right? We don't cook the same. That's why I'm saying, please comment down below. Let's share recipes. I also want to learn from you. It can be take, and yet you never give, okay? My goodness, Lord, what is wrong with you, okay? So, yeah, mix everything together. The reason why I put red pepper only is because I want a bit of color. You know me and color. And sometimes your food must just, I don't know. Anyway, let me not say anything. But you see, it gives a nice color. Then my mince is getting a bit ready. I'm ready. And tomato paste. I mean, I'm not a lover of tomato. I hardly even buy it. I'm not a lover of tomato. Sometimes they even get, so I prefer this paste. What is this? This paste, tomato paste. And you can see that it changes its color. It becomes nice reddish, a very sexy reddish, very nice reddish. You see? It seems like I'm always yawning in each and every video. By the time I'm not sleepy, guys. I'm not sleepy. I have sinus. I'm always yawning. So I'm not sleepy. Don't worry. Put any powder soup of your choice. I chose this one. Meat and what is it? I forgot to read it. A meat of something. There are those who prefer to actually put water, mix it with water. I don't do that, please. I know some people say, no, don't cook like that. Hence, I'm saying we cook what we have in the house and cook the way you want. If I'm not cooking the way you usually do, it's not a train smash because there is no script for cooking. All right, okay? Do not come here and say I cook it this way. We cook differently. At the end of the day, let us eat what is nice and well cooked. Fine, right? That's my gem squash. Remember I told you about the gem squash? I boiled them aside, actually. I boiled them aside. So yeah, that's my everything I just added. I was tired, so that's my plate. And thank you for watching. This is my plate, and it was very delicious. Anyway, thank you for watching. Famies, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Remember, we cook what we have in our houses, and may God bless you and keep you with your family. Bye. Till next time.